In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a ledger in Zoho Books, and you'll see just how simple and efficient this process can be. Now, Zoho Books is a versatile accounting software that offers a range of useful templates, one of which is for generating a ledger. This video will guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary details to make it a breeze. First off, once you're on your Zoho Books homepage, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is your primary navigation panel where most of the features you'll need are just a click away. From this sidebar, locate and click on the Reports option. This is where you're going to find all the various reports that Zoho Books can generate for you. On this page, you'll find that reports are organized into different sections on the left. What you need to do here is look for the section labeled Accountant. Give that a click. The Accountant section houses essential financial reports that keep your financial understanding clear and organized. Within the Accountant section, you'll see options for different reports. You're looking for either the General Ledger or, if you need something more exhaustive, the Detailed General Ledger. Selecting one of these options will automatically initiate the preparation of your selected report. Once your choice is made, Zoho Books does a bit of magic behind the scenes, and voila! Your report is ready. This ready-made report is formatted with all the information you need, providing a comprehensive overview of your accounts that you can then use for various accounting purposes. At this stage, you've got a couple of options for what to do next with your ledger report. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll find your sharing options. These options are incredibly useful if you need to distribute your ledger to team members, accountants, or any other relevant parties, or if you wish to keep a copy for your records. Whether you want to export it as a PDF or Excel file, or perhaps just send it directly via email, the process is laid out straightforwardly, allowing you to select the option that best fits your needs. And wouldn't you know it, that's all there is to it. You've navigated through Zoho Books effortlessly, from finding the right section to selecting the precise type of ledger report, and now you have a shareable report at your fingertips. Hopefully this guide made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any questions, feel free to refer back to this tutorial. Until next time, keep exploring Zoho Books and discovering all that it has to offer for managing your accounts seamlessly.